4.6 billion years ago, there was no sun, no earth, no light, just a silent, freezing cloud of gas and dust, a solar nebula, stretching across light years of empty space. For millions of years, this cloud did nothing. It was balanced. Gravity wanted to pull it in, but internal pressure kept it pushed out. It needed a spark to begin the journey to become a star, and that spark came from a cosmic murder. Most scientists believe a nearby star, much larger than our sun, died in a violent supernova. The shockwave from the explosion slammed into our quiet dust cloud of gas like a cosmic sledgehammer. We know this because of forensic evidence found in ancient meteoroids. They contain traces of iron 60 beryllium 10 isotopes that only form in the heart of an exploding star. This explosion did not just destroy, it compressed our nebula, forcing gravity to take over. The collapse had begun. As the nebula collapsed, it began to spin. Think of an ice skater pulling their arms in, they spin faster. This is conservation of angular momentum. The cloud flattened into a disk. 99.9% of all the matter in the cloud rushed towards the center. This bulge in the middle became a protostar. It was glowing from the heat of friction and gravity, but it wasn't a star just yet. It was just a ball of hot gas waiting for its heat to beat. For 50 million years, the protostar grew hotter and denser. Finally, the pressure at the core reached a breaking point, 50 million degrees Celsius. At this temperature, hydrogen atoms stopped bouncing off each other and started slamming together to form helium. This is nuclear fusion. In an instant, the sun turned on. A massive burst of solar wind cleared away the remaining dust, revealing the 8 planets that had been formed in the disk. The sun had claimed its throne as the master of the solar system. But here is the most mind-blowing part. The sun wasn't born alone. Stars are born in clusters like popcorn, which means our sun has thousands of brothers and sisters scattered across the galaxy. Stars made from the exact same cloud. Some scientists even suggest the sun had a twin, a second star nicknamed Nemesis, that was kicked away billions of years ago. We are a single star in a vast ocean, born from the death of another and a part of a family we may never truly find. If you want to know what happened to the planets that formed from the leftovers, subscribe to Exolodem. The journey has just begun.